passed out until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we taxi to the gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information.